While Greece was not a fully united empire or civilization, their culture, however, was the same throughout every city-state. Greece had a polytheistic religion with many gods. However, there were 12 main gods that were worshipped a lot more than the rest. These gods were the Olympians. Zeus is the first Olympian god. He is the king of the gods, lord of the sky, and ruler of Olympus. His symbol is the lightning bolt, his most powerful weapon. He is the son of Kronos, the king Titan. His wife is Hera. Zeus is the closest Greek god to the monotheistic god of Christianity, Islam, and Judaism, due to the amount of worship he receives in comparison to the other gods. Zeus's brother, Poseidon, is one of the most powerful Olympians as well. He is the ruler of the sea and horses. He may not be worshipped as much as Zeus was, but Poseidon was still one of the most feared and worshipped gods in all of Greece, and later in Rome. Zeus and Poseidon's other brother, Hades, is more feared than every other god, with the exception of Zeus. The reason for this is because Hades is the lord of the underworld and wealth. The underworld is a place similar to hell that the Greeks believed was the place where they went when they died. Tartarus was the worst part of the Greek underworld. Since Hades was the ruler of the underworld, he was not welcomed on Mount Olympus, where the other Olympians were. The most worshipped goddess, wife of Zeus, is Hera. Hera is the queen of the gods and also the goddess of marriage. She is known to have been extremely jealous of Zeus's many affairs. This led to many problems according to Greek mythology. Another Olympian goddess is Aphrodite. Aphrodite was the goddess of love and beauty. She was a very influential goddess in both Greece and later in Rome as Venus. She is also the wife of Hephaestus, the god of the forge. Hephaestus was a god of many things. He was the Greek god of blacksmiths, technology, craftsmen, artisans, sculptors, metals, fire, and volcanoes. He was the son of Zeus and Hera. However, he was so ugly, Hera was disgusted with him and threw him off Mount Olympus when he was a child. Even though his parents had disliked him, he still became an important god and had the most beautiful goddess as his wife. Another goddess is Artemis. She is the twin sister of the god Apollo, god of the sun. She is the goddess of the hunt, wild animals, wilderness, and virginity. She is one of the 2 virgin Olympians and doesn't have any children. She isn't a very large part of Greek mythology, but does play a role in a few stories. Another goddess that is an Olympian is Athena. She is very important goddess to the Greeks. She is the goddess of wisdom, architecture, and war. Athena is most worshipped in Athens. Athens is named after her, and Athenians had built many temples for her. Her traits match the personalities of the citizens of Athens. Another Olympian goddess is Demeter. She is the goddess of the harvest. The Greeks believed that the seasonal changes are the occurrences of her. This next Olympian is quite an influential god. This god is Apollo, god of the sun and twin brother of Artemis. He is also the god of music, poetry, plague, oracles, medicine, and knowledge. As he is the god of poetry, He was a large part of Greek literature and mythology. Another god is Hermes. He is the messenger god and the god of thieves. He is most known for his winged sandals. His main job was to deliver news to others. Another important Olympian god was Ares. He was the god of anger and war. Spartans worshipped him a ton because of their aggressive nature. The final Olympian is Hestia. She is the goddess of the hearth. She is also the sister of Zeus, Poseidon, Hades, Demeter, and Hera. The 12 make up the Olympians and were the most influential figures in all of ancient Greece. While Greece was not a fully united empire or civilization, their culture, however, was the same throughout every city-state. Greece had a polytheistic religion with many gods. However, there were 12 main gods that were worshipped a lot more than the rest. These gods were the Olympians. Zeus is the first Olympian god. He is the king of the gods, lord of the sky, and ruler of Olympus. His symbol is the lightning bolt, his most powerful weapon. He is the son of Kronos, the king Titan. His wife is Hera. Zeus is the closest Greek